I've heard stories. I spoke with your predecessor in regards to a couple of cases where somebody had psychosis,
Yep.
had ingested high doses of very high THC, had psychosis, and I believe there was a couple murders that occurred.
Yep.
And I'm not ever one of these people that will say, that's not possible. No, let's study it. Let's find out what's going on.
Yep.
So yeah, I don't ever want to be seen as like free the weed.
Yeah.
I want responsible. I want testing. I want regulation.
And I know there are studies out there, and that's one of the things is you talk about, THC content. The THC content is much, much higher now. You have a lot of marijuana that's lab grown, very designer type. And so we need to look at these things. How does this affect people long term?
Absolutely.
It's different than the marijuana in the 1960s.
Oh, it's different than the weed in the 90s. Yeah. You said something that your office wants to always follow state law.
Yes.
There is one particular question. I've asked this question of your predecessor. I'm going to ask it of you.
Surprise.
Guns and cannabis.
Yep. Yeah. So we're dealing with obviously a conflict of laws issue. So federal law under the I think it's the Gun Control Act of 1968 essentially says you cannot possess a firearm if you are a legal possessor of marijuana. Mm-hmm. So obviously federal law, that's prohibited. State law is a little bit different in Arizona.
Obviously
specifically to Arizona. And so with respect to like the purchase of a firearm, I still would advocate you need to be truthful when you fill out. I think it's 4474 or whatever.
4473
is the 73.